Okay, so I'm going to show you a method of casting on which is very useful. There are lots of different methods of casting on, and you can look these up on the internet if you like, but this one is a good method for all types of knitting. So you've got your ball of wool in your left hand, and the other end is here, and the string bit coming, the wool coming from the ball, wraps in between your little finger from behind, across the front of your palm and behind your thumb. So you've now got the stringy bit coming from behind your thumb. This crosses across the front, and that is going to the ball of wool. Now, when you come to do this, just for practicing it doesn't really matter, but when you actually come to start your piece of work, your jumper or whatever you're going to do, this piece of wool, this length here, has to be long enough for all your stitches. And in general, that's going to be 3 times plus the length of wool that you need, the length of the piece that you're going to do. So if your jumper was 20 centimetres across, you'd need 60 centimetres of wool plus a little bit more. So here we go. We start. You've put your hand in the right place. You've got it between your little finger and your thumb. The needle goes under the wool between your thumb and your fingers. Hold on to it with your thumb. Bring the wool, the little loose bit, round your thumb and under the needle. So you can see it's under the needle there. It then goes behind the needle and towards your thumb. So I'll do that again. You make a loop from your fingers behind the needle and back towards your thumb. And now it should look like this. Pull on this little bit. So then take the needle and bring it under the loop that's on your thumb. Can you see that? It's under the loop that's on your thumb. And then pull your thumb out and pull on the wool, and you should have the first stitch on the needle. So try again, put your little finger, and the wool goes going round your thumb. The needle goes under the wool between your thumb and your fingers. Hold on to the needle there. Take the wool, the other end, round the back of the needle, and then you can see you've got a loop under your thumb. Take the needle under the loop on your thumb, pull your thumb out and pull the stitch tight. I'll do it once more. Let's get that the right way around. Under the wool between thumb and fingers, hold on to it, needle round the back. The needle then goes under the thumb, pulls off the loop and pulls it tight. And now you've got 3 stitches. Okay. Cast on, just keep practicing that until you've got 10 or 12 stitches on your needle.